Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Tuesday, May 10th, 2022. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today's announcements. Please post your attendance. PST, all PST documentation should be current. All library books are due Wednesday, May 11th. That's tomorrow. Library closes on Thursday, May 12th for inventory. Late duty today is Miss Moore, tomorrow Miss Everett, Thursday Miss Waller, and Friday Miss Shaver. Important dates. This week we have our iReady reading diagnostic in grades K through 5. K and 1 did it yesterday, and a couple of third grade classes and maybe some second. Today, May 10th, we have vision research on campus. May 11th is our grad walk at Shepherd for our 2022 seniors. May 11th is National School Nurses Day. May 12th is Spring Picnic. May 13th, our PLU evidence is due. May 16th is the Summative Conferences. May 18th, PST and Volunteer Appreciation Brunch. May 19th, Math PLT. May 24th, Class Party Day and 5th Grade Transition Program. May 26th, Last Day for Students. And May 27th, Teacher Work Day. Our reading diagnostic is continuing today. Yesterday, kindergarten and first grade took the diagnostic. Today, we have 4th and 5th grade, as well as Miss Peralta, Battaglia, and Granger. Tomorrow, we have Miss Bertolino and some makeups. Our AR superstars that have met their quarterly goal: Miss Arch's class, Alana Booker; Barnes, Mackenzie Dias; Bertolino, Donesty Matthews; Check, Robert Anderson, Tucker Duberg; Grant Kimbrough, Maverick Martin, Avery Sullivan, and Landon Watkins. Miss Hamlin's class, Jasper Beard, Lucas Williams. We also have in Miss Hogan's class, Jordan Schoenbaum; in Lankford's class, Braylon Jones; in Miss Moore's class, Madison Powell and Lillian Schoenbaum; in Miss Washam's class, Ariana Goodwin-White, Kylie James, and Chevier Sanders; and Miss Wolf's class, Chloe Arnold, Michael Breyer, and Malia Lynch. Way to go, guys, for meeting that 4th quarter goal and staying strong through the end. That's all for today's news. Have a terrific Tuesday, Kate Shepherd.